Hey Knights, welcome back to our very own SMC News broadcast, where we share upcoming events, highlight star students, and show off some of our greatest achievements as a student body. Today, we are your hosts, Ryan Morrow
and Lily Massey, bringing you the latest news for what to expect for the 2020-2021 school year. All the information you'll need is brought to you by SMCTV.
Today, we have special guest Algoma Public Health nurse Melinda Bruno here to answer some of our questions and share what we can do to keep the students and staff safe. Hi Melinda, how are you doing? And could you please explain your work to our viewers?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm the school nurse here aligned to St. Mary's, and I'm here to offer support for this school year. I know this year will look a little different with COVID-19 and a lot of the measures that are being taken in the school and throughout the community, but I just still want everyone to know that Algoma Public Health is here to support you, and I'm here to support all the students as well.
Excellent. We are so glad you could join us as our special guest today. We are excited to hear what you know about COVID-19 virus and your words of advice for keeping us safe this school year.
Alrighty, let's get started. We asked you, the students, to provide us with some questions you would like us to ask Melinda about this upcoming school year. So, as a true Knight would ask, all set?
You bet. Question 1. What do we need to know about masks and staying safe?
Yes, wearing a mask is mandatory for grades 4 to 12 in the schools. You can take the mask off while indoors if you're eating or drinking. The other ways that we can try and stay safe at school is to wash our hands frequently throughout the day, use hand sanitizer when it's available, use good cough and sneezing etiquette, and refrain from touching our face.
Question 2. What happens if someone at school feels sick?
That's a great question. So before anyone enters the school, you should be self-screening at home. This is what the screen looks like. Once you're at school, things can happen and we can start to feel unwell. If you start to have any of the symptoms of COVID-19, you'll be placed in the isolation room at school. From that point, your parent or guardian will be notified and you will go home. After that, there are 3 ways that you can return back to school. Number 1, you're at home for 14 days. You can return to school at that point when you are 24 hours symptom-free. 2, you get a COVID-19 test. If the test is negative and you have not had symptoms for 24 hours, you can return back to school. 3, you've gone to a healthcare provider. They have diagnosed you with something other than COVID-19. You are 24 hours symptom-free, and then you can return back to school.
Question 3. What about water fountains? Will there be any restrictions?
Water fountains are open. However, we're encouraging students to fill their water bottles that they've brought from home and not drink directly out of the fountain. And I just wanted to take this moment too to remind everyone that when you touch something like a handle on a water fountain or doorknobs or railings or elevator buttons, it's always important to practice hand hygiene and wash your hands after that. I know the care staff around the school are taking extra precautions and wiping down those types of areas, but the onus is always on us as individuals to wash our hands throughout the day many times.
Thank you so much for your time, Melinda. Looking forward to hopefully having you back on SMC TV this year.
Anyway, thank you for having me on this edition of SMC TV. I've really enjoyed it. And for more information, you guys can check out the Algoma Public Health website.
That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and remember to stay tuned and subscribe for upcoming broadcasts on Tuesdays, right here on SMCTV.